me, when I think of Yellowstone, I think of hundreds of thousands of bison that roam, wolves that work together as families to hunt, to live, to survive. I think about all the different bird life, to the amazing amounts of different eagle species, to the hot springs and the geology that's here. It's a national park I've only seen in the summertime, and animals that live in these sorts of harsher conditions have me intrigued, and I feel like their stories need to be told. Hi, I'm Kristi Odom. I'm a Nikon Ambassador, an Associate Fellow for the International League of Conservation Photographers. Welcome to the B&H Wildlife Series here at Yellowstone National Park. You know those moments in nature that completely take your breath away? I live for those moments. Oh my gosh, look at it walking. Do you see the light hitting the snow as it's coming off? Wow, that was cool. Right there, right when he lifted his head. Absolutely beautiful. We are out in Yellowstone National Park, ready to do some wildlife photography. For me, my goal and mission has always been to connect people emotionally to wildlife. I want to celebrate this planet and use visual art to connect people even further to the planet. I want to show that animals have emotions, that they have feelings and characters, and I cannot wait to explore the wildlife here in Yellowstone National Park. We're going to go through my whole process from prepping to packing to research, and then we're going to talk about how to approach wildlife ethically, make sure you get those shots. We're going to talk all the technical, but also all the creative. And then we're going to move into the post-processing. So if you guys are ready, we've got quite a series for you, and I cannot wait to share all of my steps on how I create my wildlife images. It was really interesting. When cameras first came out, it was looked at as a device that showed what was there. And then these masters of fine art, like Alfred Stieglitz, started using the camera to show that there's more of a narrative. There's more of his own feelings and what he's experiencing. And he started putting that into his images. And people started seeing the camera is something that was a piece of art and not just a machine, a tool to create what we're feeling and experiencing, a tool to get other people to feel when they look at our images. I'm always striving to take my photography past the traditional portrait and to show people what I'm experiencing when I see wildlife. I want to push the boundaries of a photograph and move into art. So I'm really excited to also dig into my creative process that really talks a lot about composition, emotions, feelings of us, feelings of our subject, and all of the above, so that you can take your wildlife photography to a different step. Hopefully you'll learn a thing or two, and you can use your camera to share your passions. My biggest passion is wildlife, and I love that I have a tool that I can shout out about how beautiful this world is with the rest of the world. Join me in B&H for this wildlife series, and welcome to Yellowstone National Park.